Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2019 Genesis G80. It's the 3.3 Turbo Sport. Very well loaded, opulent vehicle here. Beautiful color, this nice silver blue, touch of green in there. Just absolutely stunning. Got that nice Distronic cruise control, adaptive. And then you got your DRLs, your automatic LED headlights, park assist, and then front and rear camera, full 360 camera as well, powered by that 3.3 turbo GDI engine, really nice motor. One previous owner, no reported accidents, auto check certified. Comes with these nice black power folding mirrors, blind spot detection, got the tinted windows all the way around. And then the rear privacy courtesy shades as well too. Carbon fiber look interior, four-wheel disc brakes, new tires all the way around, that nice carbon, and then that upgraded Lexicon sound system, kind of looks like a Burmeister, but all automatic windows, full power, windows, locks, mirrors, seats, panoramic sunroof, chocolate interior. See the nice black panoramic glass up there. Nice spacious glove box, clean dashboard, SOS system, home link, auto dimming rear view mirror with compass, sunglass storage, and then it splits open from the center. Really nice look there. Then this splits open from the center. You got charging, USB connectivity, connect the phone, full 360 panos, and then you got heated and ventilated front seats, park assist, nav, everything working. Comes with phone charging, so wireless charging, USB auxiliary connectivity, brake hold, drive modes, dual climate controls, automatic AC, CD player, AM, FM, XM, satellite radio, navigation system, rear backup camera, full surround sound speaker system, dual illuminated vanity mirrors, LED throughout. The sunroof works, no issues there. Push to start. And then full leather interior. Rear AC, rear center armrest, and then quad exit exhaust. Genesis really stepped up the notch with this vehicle. Power folding mirrors, dual memory seat functions, lane keep assist, rear sunshade, Bluetooth, that is just a load tire, we will fill that one up. But multi-function steering wheel, interval automatic front wipers, got the nice Genesis clock, as you can see here, for our 360 camera, so you can change all the viewing angles of each camera. So go full surround. So really nice camera system there. AC's ice cold. 112,000 original one owner miles. So if you're looking for something a little different, step up from the norm, and definitely something rare, beautiful, an excellent color, excellent look. Look at those wheels, look at that grille. Absolutely stunning, stunning Genesis here. So come down and see us, where you can find and drive away in this beautiful luxury vehicle, this beautiful Genesis G80 3.3 Turbo Sport. You can only find exclusively on meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.